Hey everybody, this is Dan Rawitz, University of Options. I want to walk you through how to trade my morning picks. It's pretty simple, but there's definitely things you want to know. Get nice and early, and I look for stocks that are really active in the pre-market, and then I look for levels that I believe if the price can hit that level, it will run, and then I give you a target. In this particular case, this was this morning's pick, one of them, there were three, and at 252.60 is where I'm saying to go in. Now, this is where the market opened here this morning. I'm going to simulate. We can't go in unless the price crosses this green line. Sorry, this white line. And we're just going to look at candle by candle and see if it gets across. It pulled way back. You would not have gotten involved with that. We're waiting for after market opens to confirm above the line. Every one of these bars is a new minute, and it's starting to head toward the target at this point. It's breaking up there, and there you go. We've now closed above the line. You consider one more to see because it may pull back a little bit, but that's okay. It crossed the line. We do want to make sure the next bar opens above the line as well. It did, and we'll go in. Oops, it should be 100. So we have a buy order. You can take your stop loss and put it, this white line is the 8 moving average. It's a good place to have your stop. Your take profit can be all the way up here, what we call high target. Actually, nope, sorry. You don't want your take profit to be above my target. Here's my target, here's a stop, and we'll just keep playing this out. A little bit of a pullback. Now it's profitable. And I'm pretty sure this hit the target. If not, it pulled back and then went on to hit the target. That was pullback. Yep, there you go. Perfect trade, profitable, of course. This was equivalent to one options contract. So that's $300 a contract. That's not a bad trade. Now we're going to look at the next one. That would be Hewlett Packard, HPE. And you can see my line is 1910 to enter. We'll just put I don't know if I'm recording. Oh, there it is. Sorry. So Hewlett Packard, I said get in above this line here. Otherwise, don't get in. Market's not open yet. It's 6:29. Market's going to open here in 1 minute. Fell pretty hard. That's okay. We didn't go in. That's the big trick here, guys. Only go in if they close above the line, and then you can feel comfortable. They're going to do what they're supposed to do. But if they don't fulfill that, cross that line, then it's just not a trade. You're just not going to take that one today. So I don't remember what happened with this one. I'm just advancing quickly to see if it ever gets up there. I don't think the price stayed low. So keep in mind, this was no entry, no trade. We never went in. That's far enough. It may have triggered later, but I don't think so. Let's look at the next one. The last pick of the day was Wells Fargo. And you can see I said get in above 77.60. You put entry here, give you the target. I also tell you what to buy. So if you're going to buy options, you're going to buy Friday's 77 strike price. And if you don't know what that means, make sure you reach out to us. That's that. Let's see what happens here. I've got Wells Fargo up. This is my entry point. It's currently 1 minute before market opens. So we're going to simulate this action. And the first candle does not make it. The next candle, no. Close, but notice the wick closed above it, but not the candle. I want to see the body of the candle above it. There it is. Okay. We can go in on this trade. And there's a couple different ways you can do it. I'm gonna simulate one options contract. There's my buy stop loss. You should know that before you go in. I'm going to put it down here at this point of control from earlier this morning. And then I'm going to put my take profit up here at my target. That's what that trade would look like. So now we're in it. See what happens. Nothing. Now we're going up, up, boom, hit the target. Go one more. There we go. Taken out with a $75 per contract profit, and 639 you were all done. And so that's 2 strong wins out of my 3 picks this morning. And the one that didn't trigger, you didn't trade it. No losses. I hope that helps you. Bye.